All right, welcome back everybody to day 2 of the Sabre 45 install. Guys have been hard at work today, so let's go ahead, let's take a look inside here. So we've got our wire runs set up, we got a lot of drops still going on. We've got our junction blocks in here for the mast. Another neat little trick we've got going on is a Garmin network port right there. So instead of having to run a bunch of network cables back and forth, we run one, goes to that hub, and then everything up to the mast, your radar, your cameras, all that good stuff. So that's all taken care of right there. And the helm, we talked about this yesterday for the day one, but the on-deck hub has been installed. You see we've got 2 relays right there, plus our power supply. So for this particular build, what the customer wanted to do was be able to, from their app, turn on their cockpit lights and their anchor light. So if they want to find their boat in a mooring when they're coming back in the evening, pull out the app, hit the button, turns the light on, you can find your boat. Pretty slick. So, the other spot that we were working hard on today, and I say we, I mean Shannon, was down in here. We went in here yesterday and kind of look up in this space. Remember yesterday, it was pretty empty. Now that's not really the case anymore. You see, we've kind of filled this thing all the way up as I kind of gander and pan around here. Yeah, been a lot going on in there. So they were hard at work getting that taken care of, getting wires run from the engine room up to here to power the other amp, get all the black boxes installed, get the AIS, VHF, DirecTV, sounder modules, bunch of stuff going in on this one. So they were hard at work on that, and they're also back in the engine room doing some stuff. So yeah, that is day 2. We are looking real good here as we keep moving along, and stay tuned for day 3, and that's about all I got. Peace.